The giant has got a lovely garden. The children want to play in the garden, but the giant is selfish. "It's my garden," he says. "I don't want children here." He builds a wall around the garden. In the spring, there are no flowers or birds in the giant's garden. It is winter all year. The giant isn't happy. Then one day, the children find a hole in the wall. They go in and play. The giant hears children in his garden. There are birds and flowers too. The giant is happy because it is spring again. "This is your garden now, children," he says. The children are happy, and the giant is not selfish now.